Hi, I'm George from Pact Coffee, and today I'm going to show you how to brew a mocha using an espresso machine. First, prepare your coffee shop. You want to get about 19 grams of coffee, ground very fine for espresso. Level off the coffee with your fingers. Remove any coffee from the edges, and then you want to tamp the coffee puck into place. Good firm pressure, but the most important thing is a really nice, flat, even coffee bed. Before you put the portafilter in your espresso machine, you just want to purge any steam that's built up in the head by hitting the button. And then add the portafilter to the machine so you're ready to brew your espresso. Normally it goes into the left and locks in to the right. Take your cocoa powder and add 1 teaspoon to your cup. Place your cup underneath and we're ready to brew. The things to look out for are when it starts to drop a really dark syrupy texture, a bit like treacle, and about 26 to 30 seconds of extraction time. The amount of liquid in the cup should be double the weight of the coffee. So 19 grams of coffee equals 38 grams of yield. Swirl the espresso and the chocolate powder together in your cup. And now it's time to steam the milk. Always use a full-fat dairy milk or a barista version of an oat milk and fill your milk jug to just under the spout. You want to put the steam wand in the center of the milk jug and then tilt the jug just to the side. This will allow that whirlpool effect to give you that lovely silky microfoam texture. What you want to listen out for is a very subtle hissing noise, not a screaming sound, and only for a few seconds. After that, you can allow the steam wand to go a bit deeper into the milk and let that whirlpool do the work for you. Once that milk is really hot to the touch, you can finish steaming. Always remove any milk residue from your steam wand, keep that nice and clean. Next, you're going to remove any large bubbles just by giving it a good firm tap on your counter. And now swirl the milk. And the texture you're looking for is a really nice, glossy, almost paint-like texture. Okay, time to pour. This is the hard part, but with practice, you'll get it perfect. Take your coffee and your cocoa powder mix, slight angle, and then nice long pour. Fill the cup about 3/4 full. Lovely. Take a pause. Now get the spout of the jug really close to the surface and just really carefully control that last part of the process to get that lovely latte art texture. Lovely. Final touch, a little sprinkling of cocoa powder on the top. And there you go. That's how you brew a delicious mocha. Thanks for watching this Pact Coffee tutorial. Enjoy.